Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, it's going to be a multi-part. I'm going to show you how to get your private keys ready to go using X1 console. Previously, there was a video on how to get your private keys after your validator setup. But X1 console by Blackbeard made it super easy to get the private keys. So I'm going to show you how to get that. Then I'm going to show you how to then import it onto Backpack Wallet. In case you don't know, Backpack is one of the wallets that will support X1. We're going to show you how to get it and then also how to add a custom RPC so it points to it, right? Instead of Solana, we want it to point to X1 Testnet. All right, so now, if that sounds of interest, let's jump right in. So first and foremost, you need Backpack Wallet, pretty straightforward. I'm using Chrome, so I'm just going to get the Chrome extension. Then what you also want to do is you also want to, and let's see if I can pull it up here, log into your server. By this point, you should already know how to log into your server and get up set up on X1 console or get it up and running. Then what we are going to do, and again, if you need this as a reference, down below in the description, you can open up the Google Doc under FAQ. We're going to just follow these instructions, how to get your private keys. And it's very simple. Option 10 for other, then number 5 for wallet manager, and number 2 for backup all wallets. So we're going to go to here. We're going to type in 10 for other, number 5 for wallets manager, and then we're going to back up all the wallets. Now you can also back up specific ones as well. So we're going to do number 2. This is going to show all your private keys. Guys, again, never want to share your private keys. This is just for demo purposes, so I'm okay with doing it on camera. And here you are. These are all the private keys. We're just going to copy all this. And as you can see, you got vote, you got stake, stake 2, stake 1. Now, you're not going to necessarily have all these as well. I was messing around and creating more stake accounts. But ultimately, you want the ID JSON, the identity, all of this. So when in doubt, just copy paste it all, just like this. I'm going to put it into my notes here so I have it readily accessible. And that's all we need there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to now switch over to Backpack Wallet. Hopefully you guys can see this on your screen. Let's see. If I pull this up, it's going to ask me to log in. All right. Now, this is what the end result should look like. As you can see at the top here, it says Custom RPC, and it points to the correct, to X1 Testnet. For this, I'm going to actually remove this. So that way we're on Solana network right now. So before I show you how to actually get set up with a custom RPC, let's import the wallets. And I'm going to import the vote.json. You can add all these, add one, up to you. But I'm just going to copy paste this for the vote. Make sure you include the brackets. So I'm going to copy that. And then we're going to click on the top left here. We're going to go to add account. This probably already looks familiar if you've ever imported an account. I agree. I already have a wallet. We're going to choose Solana. And we're going to do it by private key. And we're going to import the private key here. And voila, as you can see, I've just imported the vote one. And if you wanted to confirm, what we can do is look to see the address here. So 2HRP, we'll just remember that, ends in VB. We're going to go over here. Let's get out of this real quick. Again, you don't have to do this. This is just so you can see, double check to make sure that it imported successfully. Let's go to, where is it here? Let's get out of this menu. Let's go to check balances, number 3. So we want to look under the vote one. Yep, 2HR, and it ends in VB. So there you go. We just imported, in this scenario, the vote. And you would, if you wanted to, add the other ones as well. Now, guys, that's great. But we want to go ahead and change from Solana network to X1 Testnet. So how do we do that? Now, at first you might think, hey, you click this and then you click on add network. But the problem is you can't actually add a custom one here. And so what we need to do instead is we want to, on the top left again, click this, go to settings. Then we're going to click on Solana. And then where it says RPC connection, we're going to click on that. And then we're going to choose custom. Now, and as you can see, I already have it here, but if you need it, all you're going to do is go back to the FAQ and you see what is the RPC for X1 Testnet. I'm just going to copy this, and then I might have to go back actually. Oh, no, I can just paste it. And voila, you just paste it right there. Hit update, and you know it's working because you can see in green custom RPC, and then it's pointing to X1 Testnet. And you can see, I wish this was US dollar, but I have about 1,400, in this case, Testnet XNT, and that is how you edit. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Again, recap, very simple. When in doubt, come to the Google Doc, just look under FAQ, how to get your private key. You're just going to do option 10, then number 5, and then number 2. That gets you all your private keys. We're going to then copy paste it here so we have it. Then make sure you have the backpack wallet. This is, to my knowledge, the only wallet that is going to support X1, specifically because we can add the custom RPC. So make sure you get backpack wallet. And then once you have it, we can go ahead and import it. Pretty straightforward, just like you would normally see. You can click on add, and actually a better way is top left here, add account, go through that process, import the private key. Make sure, again, when you do the, and I know I'm repeating myself, but make sure you copy the whole entire thing, include the brackets, not anything within the brackets, but all of it. That will allow you to import it. Then what we're going to do, again, we're going to close out here just so I can show you, but we're going to top left, go to settings, go to Solana, RPC connection, custom RPC, and then you're going to copy paste the X1 Testnet, which can also be found in the Google Doc down below here. And that's it, guys. Now you have everything pointing to Backpack Wallet. You can mess around with it, and hopefully that has helped. Guys, if you are new to becoming an X1 Validator and this is foreign to you, I'd be surprised that you watched it this far, but if you did, make sure you check down in the description on how to get set up. And hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See ya.